Clients already have data across Sitecore, GA4, and commerce platforms. But building dashboards and insight-ready models from scratch takes too long. Altudo's decision-ready data model accelerator changes that. On day one, more than 50% of the data model foundation is ready. Customer and product dimensions, sales fact patterns, transformation logic, semantic relationships, and Power BI dashboard templates. In a 3-week sprint, we tailor the accelerator to your environment. Week 1, map source data and define KPI priorities. Week 2, customize transformations, business rules, and semantic measures. Week 3, validate outputs and activate polished, templatized Power BI dashboards. The result? A reusable analytics foundation that turns raw data into decision-ready insights quickly. Let's test this accelerator on your data in 3 weeks and determine next steps for a broader data foundation or AI readiness roadmap.